my PJs. With a slice of pizza, sipping smoothie, watching TV. She been up lately, she tryna reach me. Can I make her mind just for a night? She in her feelings. I've been working like 24/7, but I keep it understated, cause I ought do me more often. I don't seek no validations, so I've been on the low tryna write this song. She been on my dope, vibing up this song.